Hi, and welcome to Text University. In this tutorial, we're exploring chatbots under automations in Text App, your go-to for building AI-powered assistants that work around the clock. To build a new chatbot, go to Chatbots under Automations. Click New Chatbot in the top right corner, then choose how you want to create it. You can start from scratch, use a ready-made template, or generate a bot automatically from your website, Zendesk, or KnowledgeBase. Let's choose the website option. Enter your site URL. Click Continue. This feeds your chatbot knowledge from your website to provide quick and accurate AI-generated answers based on real content. The training may take a few minutes to complete. When it's done, you can exclude specific sections if needed. Click Continue. Here you can add the final tweaks to your chatbot, like customizing your welcome message and setting up your attributes. Then click Add Chatbot. Once the training and setup is done, you'll be taken to the Visual Builder where you can test your bot right away. Go ahead and ask your bot a few questions. Now, to keep your chatbot improving, open Training. Here's where you review the questions it received and make updates. You'll see 4 categories: untrained questions, things your bot couldn't handle yet, answered by AI, questions handled using your imported knowledge, spam, and general, where you'll find your manually trained questions. You can fine-tune your bot's behavior by editing or deleting questions, updating answers, linking responses to specific blocks, or grouping similar questions under one reply. You can also mark irrelevant questions as spam or remove them entirely. Chatbots basically act as digital team members that help you automate support, answer questions instantly, and transfer chats to agents when needed. Whether it's simple questions like, "What are your business hours?" or more complex ones like, "Can you help me choose the right plan?" they have it covered. And that's your tour of chatbots. Whether you're starting from scratch or training with AI, Chatbot helps you deliver instant, intelligent support 24/7. See you next time.